Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robyn. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to show y'all how I do reinstalls on my wigs. The first thing I do is slick my edges back using Lotta Body edge control. I use my hands to apply it and slick it back, and then I go over it with a brush, and then I put my wig cap on so I can start the ball cap method. Then I'm going to take my Ebin spray in the black can, and I'm going to spray that all across the perimeter of my hairline. And I'm just going to blow dry that until it's fully dry. Now I'm just going to take some shears and cut the wig cap back all over. I did miss a spot and have to go back and respray and re-blow dry, but that is okay because I'm human and we make mistakes. And it's fixable too. Alright, now I'm just outlining where I want my glue to stop. And then I'm just going to take my lace and make sure it's covering the wig cap entirely, because I don't want any of that peeking from underneath my lace. And then I'm going to start applying my first layer of glue. I use Bold Hold Active for oily skin because it works for me. Now I'm just using alcohol to wipe away the line and any excess glue.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
Now I'm just going to use my blow dryer until the glue is semi-clear. Now I'm just laying the lace down on the glue, and I'm going to press it in using a comb that's sturdy. You want a sturdy comb for this. So I'm just going to press it in, and I will use my hands from time to time just to make sure that it's in there. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. I'm going to apply the glue, spread it, blow dry it, and then repeat it to do the second layer and place the wig down. Now I'm just gonna apply the second layer of glue and spread it out.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, my body, my body. Say it, my mind, my heart, my body. Say it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy.
I like to work in sections when I reapply my wigs because it allows me to make sure that no hairs are going underneath the lace as I press it down. Now I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. I sped it up for y'all because I know y'all probably don't want to see this again. But remember to make sure that no hairs are underneath your lace when you press it down.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I feel that like you, that bitch I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skin through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Now I'm taking the clips in the back of the wig and I'm hooking them together to make sure my wig is securely on my head. Now I'm using my Ebin spray to melt my lace the first time. This is one of the most important parts. Make sure you tie your elastic band tight on your head. I decided to go take a shower while I waited, So now I'm just going to blow dry it for a little bit until I feel like there's no moisture or sweat or anything underneath the band. Now I'm taking my elastic band off, and not too much on the edges. I am going to fix those. When I do reinstalls, my edges do look a little wonky because I always end up pulling extra hair, but I still look good. I am going to do a double melt as well. I pull my edges forward and then I spray. I missed the clip of me spraying, but I'm going to tie my elastic band back on. It doesn't have to be as tight as the first time, but you do want it to be tight. And I did my makeup while I waited. But when I came back, I did start to style it by using conditioner and water in a spray bottle.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey, that's the risk. Man, we spray his car, spray the window. She keeps sucking on my dick, trying to get it hickey, hickey. I swear that pussy too wet, sticky, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door, I'm picky, picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, busy, yeah. Hello, I heard it's some niggas that's on my head.
And this is how my hair turned out after just using water and conditioner. I like for my hair to like puff up some, so I don't use a lot of mousse all the time. It's one of my favorites. I will reinstall this wig again and again and again and again and again, like clockwork. Like, I love this wig. But yes, if you're like me and you like reinstalling wigs, keep this video in mind if you need some help with it, because this eats. But if you like this video, make sure you like it. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. Leave a comment on what I could have did better too. And subscribe.
Wake up beside my bitch, I got on that tissue out here for the